Hello, Solar Walk team. I'm actually creating this video, and what I'm doing with it is I'm sending along the next steps that we talked about in our meeting of gathering just some more specific data and doing a little more research when it comes to, um, the design and moving forward. But first, I just want to say how impressed I was with everybody. I think Adam, Jasmine, Angel, Kim, Molly, Ashanti, Kayla, Yelson. Andrew, your presentation on Uranus was excellent as well. But you did some really good introductory research, you guys, and I think we're all feeling really motivated and excited about this. So thank you for continuing with your commitment and for doing your part. It means so much. So what I'm going to do quickly is I will share my screen and I will bring up the documents that I created and just kind of walk you through it. So um, basically, I'm honoring that how impressed we are with the work you've done so far. Just asking students with your initial research that you did on your planet, if you can just make sure to link it to that document that Andrew had sent out. That would be awesome. So we all have access to it. But the next step is to begin planning for what should be on each display. And so in order to do this, it's a good idea to look at other examples of solar walks that are already in place. There's solar walks in all, many different states, and there's also solar walks that are popping up all over the world. So we've got a lot of examples to look at. What I did is I created a table of examples for each student to investigate. So you don't have to start from scratch. Um, Basically, what you'll do is you'll go down and you'll find your name. And next to your name, you will see that there are links. There might be two links for most students, just due to the examples that were available. So what we're asking you to do is, number one, research and observe as many details as you can about the solar walk links you are investigating, and then answer questions in the table below about your observations. So below where the links are that you will be investigating, here is a table that you can use to respond to some prompts. So it looks like there are 7 prompts. So the first, what did you notice about the design of the solar walks visual aids? What were they made of, shape like, etc. The next, how was the information designed for the visual representation of a planet? And what did you see? So, what did you visually see based on the information that was present and the design of that information? What did you like about the information provided? What did you not like about it? And was it missing anything? Was there anything more than planets included in the solar walk? If so, what were they? And last, what tips or ideas do you now have or could suggest as a must for our solar walk visual representations? Um, and then again, one other thing is if there were any other resources available that you noticed when you were investigating your links. Were there maps provided for visitors? Was there QR codes, pamphlets or brochures, any other resources provided? And then the final part to this is just pasting a picture on this next blank page here of just the visual, an example of the visual representation of the solar walk that you researched. So whatever their panel or um, creation looked like to show off their planet. So again, each student just has a couple links to investigate. And if you could, while you're investigating, just answer these prompts. We should be able to gather enough information so that we can really start to visualize exactly what we all would like this to look like. So the goal will be that you will share your thoughts out at our next meeting, and I will be sending a Google form that has a few different dates on it to choose from. Majority will kind of dictate the date of our next meeting. So whichever date gets the most votes, that's the date that we will go with. So please look for that in your email as well. Also, if you have any questions, please let me know. I will be emailing this to you, and so you will have access to my email. So please reach out to me. If you need anything, reach out to Sarah, reach out to Andrew. Um, Thank you again very much, you guys, for the work that you're doing. I know that we are all excited for this. So um, I really do appreciate it. And I do believe so, myself, Sarah, and Andrew, we should figure out when we would like this portion, this next step to be complete, um, so that we're all able to share out. All right. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate your time. And yeah, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.